Smoothie. SMG. Basically, Smoothie is a meme token, a cult, a club, a community. Also available in it as soon as they will launch. Smoothie basically is a meme token. Here you can see Smoothie airdrop is live. The main difference from hundred of faceless meme coin is that Smoothie is built around a real iconic and viral figure. Post a photo or dance with any drink as your smoothie and earn free SMZ tokens. How to join the airdrop? Follow these steps to join. Must follow all our socials. Show your smoothie drink. Use all 8 hashtags and smoothie tokens and tag smoothie. Mention 2 friends or 6 friends. Get at least 500 views or 100 likes and submit your claim soon on official web link. Keep updates. And Smoothie Rewards explains warning how much SMC you can earn. Here what we are giving out: 500 plus views plus 100 per likes, 500 to 800 SMZ. More engagement, more token will you will earn. It is coming soon. Claim will be coming soon. And what and what is Smoothie? The main difference from hundred of faceless meme coin is that Smoothie is built around a real iconic and viral figure. Smoothie is a cult that existed long before the token itself. Now it finally has a form. Here is the contract address. You must check out the contract address for buying this token. Buy. How you can buy this token? You have to go on a Jupiter. Here you can see, after going on a Jupiter you will need to copy this contract address. You have to copy this contract address, and then you have to go there, and after going there you have to paste it, and then you have to search it. Here you can see SMZ has been sort out. Here you can see, here is the chart, and if you want to buy this token via USDT, via Sol, any currency you want to buy, you can select in it, and then you put the amount, how much worth of USDT you want to buy this token. Then here you can see how in 100 USDT you will get these SM Smoothie tokens, and here you can also check out their chart. That is going to be good, as I see. And here is the market cap, 17.8k FD view. Here you can check out liquidity and holders, and 24-hour volume, 24-hour trading. As you can also check out each and everything on the as Jupiter about it. And if you want to verify the contract, you can also check out here market overview, market cap, and current supply and social channels holders. And token name is Smoothie, decimals 9, authority, creator, first mind, and etc. You can check out here. Next we are going to check out further detail about tokenomics. Total supplies, here you can check out the total supplies, and liquidity is 80% log for a year, 10% team log for a year, 10% airdrops, marketing and partnership. Here is the again contract address, name Smoothie, symbol SNZ, and soon detail like inside fix is earned by completing mission that spread the meme and grow the community. Fix token, FX token is giving off inviting new members. Earned resources can be exchanged for prices and Smoothie after listed. Values and ideas, every Smoothie holder automatically becomes a member of the Fox Club. 1% of every transaction goes to the club treasury. And here you can check out how to buy. Step 1, go a Solana, get a Solana Phantom, add Sol to your wallet. Step 3, visit Jupiter Dex. Step 4, swap Sol for Smoothie. It's an easy way that I already told you how you can buy this token. Just go there and connect your Phantom wallet, and after connecting your Phantom wallet, here you can see, after connecting Phantom wallet you have to put some you have to put some Solana in your Phantom wallet, and after putting Solana you have to write how much worth of Solana in Solana worth of Smoothie token you want to buy. Then you have to buy it, and you must need to follow them on their official social media like Twitter. You can see here is the Twitter, and Welcome to the Smoothie Army, Smoothie Nation. We are strong together. Official link will also show up you here, and upcoming detail you can also check out here. And here you can see more updates about this. Here you can see. So must follow them on their official social media, Twitter and Telegram channel for seeing upcoming updates and notification. And friends, I hope you would like this video. If you like, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.